Ever wondered why Keras is such a buzzword in the world of neural networks? Well, it's crucial to deep learning, known for its user-friendliness and flexibility. Keras simplifies complex processes, making neural networks more accessible to beginners and efficient for experts. Plus, it's designed to work seamlessly with TensorFlow, one of the most popular deep learning libraries out there. Its integration with TensorFlow further enhances its capabilities, allowing for sophisticated model building and computation. With its immense benefits, it's no wonder that Keras is a go-to for many deep learning enthusiasts. So, what exactly is Keras? Let's dive into it. Keras is a high-level neural networks API built in Python and capable of running on top of three technologies: TensorFlow, CNTK, or Theano. It's a popular tool among deep learning enthusiasts because it was designed to enable fast experimentation. That means it's all about speed and ease of use, making it a great choice for both beginners and experts. Now, let's break down the architecture of Keras into three parts: the sequential model, the functional API, and model subclassing. All three are important, but they each offer a different approach to defining and training models. First up, the sequential model. This is the simplest type of model Keras offers, perfect for when your neural network has just one input and one output, and everything in between is a straight shot or a sequence. It's like a one-way street with no detours or crossroads. Next, we have the functional API. This is a step up in complexity and flexibility from the sequential model. It's like a roadmap with multiple routes, allowing you to build models with multiple inputs, multiple outputs, or even shared layers. Think of it as creating a more complex journey for your data. Last but definitely not least is model subclassing. This is where you can let your creativity run wild. Model subclassing allows you to build completely arbitrary architectures. It's a bit like being handed the blueprints and the bricks and being told to build your own house. It offers maximum flexibility, but it also requires a deeper understanding of how things work. These three components form the backbone of Keras, offering a range of options to suit different needs and levels of expertise. From the straightforward sequential model through the more complex functional API, to the highly flexible model subclassing, Keras has something to offer for everyone. Understanding the basics of Keras can set the foundation for more complex, deep learning tasks. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to delve deeper into the world of Keras. Building a model in Keras is straightforward and intuitive, designed to simplify the process of creating complex neural networks. It all starts with defining your model. This is where you'll specify the architecture of your neural network, layer by layer, choosing the type of layer, the number of neurons, and the activation function that suits your task best. Once your model is defined, it's time to compile it. This is where you'll specify your optimizer, loss function, and metrics. The optimizer is the algorithm that adjusts the weights of your network. The loss function measures the error of your model, and the metrics are used to monitor your model's performance. After compiling, you'll fit your model to your data. This is where the magic happens. Your model learns from your data by adjusting its weights to minimize the loss. You'll specify the number of epochs or iterations over the entire dataset and the batch size or number of samples per gradient update. Next, you'll evaluate your model's performance on unseen data. This gives you an idea of how well your model generalizes to new data, which is crucial in real-world applications. Finally, you'll use your model to make predictions. You input new data, and your model outputs predictions based on what it has learned. With Keras, building and running a neural network model is no longer a daunting task. To sum up, Keras brings a lot to the table in the world of neural networks. It's a critical tool, providing a simplified interface for building and training deep learning models. We've seen how its architecture is designed for ease of use, yet it doesn't sacrifice flexibility. It's the perfect blend of simplicity and power. We've also walked through the process of building a model with Keras, showcasing its intuitive nature. From defining the model, adding layers, to compiling and training, it's a streamlined journey that's accessible to all. Moreover, we've underscored Keras's compatibility with TensorFlow, one of the most widely used deep learning frameworks. This compatibility allows for extended functionality, making it possible to take full advantage of TensorFlow's features while enjoying Keras's user-friendly interface. So, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned deep learning enthusiast, the power of Keras is undeniable.